Here we are live at, what's this called? Springmaid Pier. Beau and I. Wave. Here we are, and we're on this pier, we're fishing. Not a very big fisherman, to be honest with you. Got a lot of help from other people. I think they noticed that I wasn't a fisherman. They came running over. And then when I came walking on the pier, I was whistling the Andy Griffith show theme song. I don't know if you're supposed to be quiet up here or what. All right, but here we are. We got the two rods. Probably want to show them the rods. Move over just a little bit. Show them the rods. Point to them. Okay. There's one, and then we got another one right next to it. And we're using shrimp. I came up here with nothing but a wallet. So people notice I got this block of ice full of shrimp. And that's when they start coming over to me and they realized that I didn't know what I was doing. And they pointed me over to the water. There's a sink over there, so I folded out. And an airplane up there. I don't know if I can see. And then the airplane was up in the sky. See that, Beau? The airplane up in the sky? And so we're just put shrimp on there, and we dropped it in, and we're just waiting. I don't know how long it takes. You having fun, Beau? Who's having fun? You show them your elbow?
There's nothing to show.
Well, can you stretch it out so everything's all right? It was this elbow, and he could go there, but now he can go all the way. It's better. It's a little better. Right, I gotta drag this out, put you through torture. But yeah, here's. Let me show you the pier. It's supposed to be the longest pier, one of the longest in Myrtle Beach. Here we are. 110 foot or something like that. Oh, you got something? No. My neighbor got something. There's the guy. There's the gentleman that. Oh, stingray. Oh yeah, look at it down there. It is a stingray. Look at that. Let's go over here and see what the gentleman caught. Well, I got on video, so you're good. For all those non-believers, no fishing tails over here. We got it. Looks like our lines are laying on the ground. They can pull it up a little bit. They on the ground? All right, we're gonna let you guys go. We'll let you go, and then we'll come back if we see something. So sit by your Facebook and look for us. It's about 90 degrees. Sometimes people think I'm nuts talking to my phone, but they didn't realize I'm a little off. I like talking to my phone. Bless you. Somebody sneezed over there. Alright, then, oh, we saw one stingray. That's cool. And Beau and I were not. Hey, make it up, Beau. You get anything while I was talking? Just, not, you didn't get anything? Any bites or anything?
No, I just said no.
You gonna say hi to everybody on Facebook land?
I did.
Huh?
I already did.
Once is enough with you?
Yes.
Oh, man. Beau took a train ride home, a train ride here. Supposed to be here at 3 in the morning, ended up being here at 5 in the morning. Amtrak saw a little different side of me when I got there at 3 in the morning. I was like, you gotta be kidding me.
Look at that.
I was like,
Look at that.
there's an airplane. Now, not being a fisherman, but I don't think that's too good for the fish, is it? All that noise? Huh? I don't think it's too good for the fish. Every time I went fishing, all my friends always told me, yo, you're scaring the fish away. I don't think that was too good for it. Jet engines. Huh? Alright. Well, we'll let everybody go. I'll talk to you a little later. See you.